Oh yeah, you lead me. I trust you. You know every step I take, every road I walk through. Even when I lose my way, you're the one who pulls me through. When my heart feels unsure and my strength is gone, you remind me who you are. You've been there all along. I don't have to be afraid. You are with me every day. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. You give me peace when life gets hard. You lead my way, you guide my heart. I stand in faith. I know who you are. Even in the darkest night, I don't walk alone. You are right here by my side. You have made me strong when the pressure builds inside, and I